I think my package is finally here. I've been waiting since February. I placed my order in February. And it's finally here to stay. Sally's like, hey, there's something on the porch. Okay. This is my first time. I'm so excited. Okay. Pad straps here. Yes. Nice thing there. Got nice stretchy pockets. So yeah, the pack weighs 2 pounds 7 ounces. But I did get, you know, several add-ons. But that still saves me 2 pounds off my current pack weight. So, we've got, I think the body was VX21. Got a nice roll down feature. Man, that is big. That's huge. Oh wow, okay. So, yeah, so I've got this tall, like, side pocket to put my tent or my chair. And I love that, like, the interior is white, so I can kind of like see down in there. It's really nice. Got the roll top. Got nice hip belt pockets. Oh, those are so much better than what I've got right now. This one pocket here, and then I've got a zipper pocket too. And yeah, so there is the specs. It's like massive. Can't see down in there. It just keeps going and going and going. But I did get the hydration sleeve thing in there. You can see how it fits and functions and all that, but I mean, just looking at it out of the package, I mean, it just looks awesome. So thank you, Superior Wilderness Designs, for this beautiful pack. I cannot wait to get it on trail. So I'll be using it this weekend for a quick overnighter just to try it out. So yeah. I can't wait. So anyway, we'll give y'all an update once I get to use it, and maybe you know, once I get stuff loaded in it, show y'all that. But yeah, super pleased. Me. I love the pack. I got 2.5 liters of water. Put it up down there, and yeah. My foam thermalist, one I've been using it a couple times. I bought a lot to go on Sally's collar so I can see her at night, or other people can see her on her gear. My Matador mat tent. Except I got it packaged a little bit different this time. This is just the fly, which is not supposed to rain, so I'm going to set my tent up in what they call stargazer mode. So it's just the inner tent fished on the footprint, so almost sort of footprint, and the inner tent with the stargazer thing together in this stuff sack. Having a pillow, a sleeping bag, a chair, extra clothes, hat, all my electronic stuff. I will be bringing my camera, potentially my tripod, I'm not sure. Got my GoPro stuff, headlamp, pot. This will be my meal probably for tomorrow night. Got snacks, drinks. The only thing that's not in here is the cashew clusters, which are cooling, that I just made. gum, bath kit, and then I've got some extra water in here. That's what I'll use to do my coffee and meal and stuff with tomorrow night. And that's good. Just to test out the new bag. I got bear spray in there too. How about that? Yeah. Anyway, so that's subjective. We may or may not bring that. But I think we've got everything else. We got mistakes. So, yeah. So let's see how all this fits in the new pack. So we're fixing to head out. Meet Krista at Carver's Gap. Go for an overnighter. Test out the new pack. Got my trekking poles. But anyway, it's all loaded out. It's like 28 pounds, but that's looks like a little over 3 liters of water. So, and camera and everything. So anyway, so we'll see you all at the trailhead. So we're going to Carver's Gap. Hike up the Grass Series Ball, camp out for the night, and then hike back out. So we'll see y'all at the trailhead.